Here I have Nokia X71 and let me show you how to add here the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the list of all apps, choose here settings, then let's scroll down to choose security and location, and let's choose here the screen lock, right here or in fingerprint. It doesn't matter, let me choose fingerprint for now. Let's choose set up the screen lock. So before you add the fingerprint, you need to set up the screen lock at first, and you have to choose if you would like to use pattern, pin or password. Let me select pattern. Let's draw your unlock pattern, you have to choose your own one. Let's do it twice, tap confirm. And let's select the form of notifications. You can show all notification content, you may also hide the sensitive content or don't show notifications at all. Let me show all content, tap done. You have to confirm it by your new pattern. And now you can add the fingerprint. Read the instructions, tap continue. As you can see, the fingerprint is located at the back of the device. So let's tap start. Let's choose your finger and let's start tapping the sensor a couple of times. As you can see, here you've got the progress bar. It's almost done. And that's it. So here you can rename your fingerprint if you would like to. You can add another one if you would like to use a couple of fingerprints, or you can choose done. Let me do it. Now to lock your device, let's press power key, and you can unlock it by using your pattern, or you can do it by using your fingerprint. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.